Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write a resume for your job just using Chat GPT. So without further ado, let's get started. Now all you need to do, first of all, go to any of your favorite job site. Might be it will be the Microsoft jobs or maybe LinkedIn jobs, doesn't really matters. So right here I'm going to search for a job. So in here we have software engineering. And we have a job for a senior software engineer. All you need to do, you're gonna copy the description of this particular job. So I'm going to copy it from here. Go to Chat GPT, paste the description, and just add a new line that write a resume for this job description, and it will generate a resume for this particular job. So guys, this is basically how you can write a resume just using ChatGPT for any of your job. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.